Something so way too. Oh man, oh mama bomtandazo. The power of prayer can help iglifted through easy more efana njengalezi esikhuluma ngaso namhlanje. Where kunento nje ekudlayo ngaphakathi, you know? It's okay. To have problems and live impilo enenkinga. You know that the devil can allow people to live a trouble-free life so that they don't run to God. So when you're going through something, sometimes it brings you closer to God. Maybe just hear a male voice for a change. Because Naban Beslis Nabo are also going through.
Anonymous someone.
Sanibonani njani?
Siyaphila bhuti njani?
I would be lying if I'm fine. So for now, for radio purposes, I'm good.
Talk to us.
Yeah, but basically for the last 4 years, ever since COVID, my life has really went down under. Firstly, I lost my job. I was in the leisure and entertainment business. After that, I started a small business, Ekaslani. There was looting. All of that went again. Rock bottom once again. And because of my financial strains, my wife left. So I eventually got divorced. And then I lost everything. I lost friends. I lost people that knew me, but shifted away from me because I used to be this very fun person, outgoing person. But now all I do is me and constantly look at the ceiling and think maybe this is the end. You know, like everything is so it's messed up. Like every single day, you just don't have hope. What is today? That's going to happen in my life. Nothing great. I don't have any expectation anymore. I don't have any dreams or goals because I was into and trying to make life great again. They're just all dissolving and going away and just falling apart. I used to also be a very strong in terms of religion person, and now I just don't even find faith in that. I just don't have faith in humanity itself as well, because like recently, only to find the registration completed, so I can't even access that. So life is just as it's lost, like last rope. And I really not know where to turn, but let's me up back and I'm like, okay, giving up is not an option I know, but what else? Keep on asking myself.
You know what, Fez? The harder the fight, the sweeter the victory. I wanna share something with you, because as ushe istora sakho mina nomini besithembe solalela kuphela sibone ukuthi la singalalela khona kuphela umuntu meqoqa istora sakho akumele usifanise nesakho kufanele umuzwe achaze into echazayo kepha I think you can get some strength from my story because I've been exactly where you are. Lost my business, lost my home, lost the woman I loved, and we lost a child. And for months on end, I didn't have anything. I tried to take my own life. I failed at that too. And then I went to hospital. And in the hospital, in the ward where I was in, everyone was fighting for their life. And I tried to take mine. I was embarrassed. And I made a promise to myself, I'll never do it again. You need to shed skin like a snake. Shed yonke lento le silahlekile. Uyidedele bese uqala kabusha. I went outside my former home, and there was a family living inside, and I prayed in that driveway. Yeah, I prayed. I said, God, ngongiphila mandla, show your glory once again through me. I know ukuthi ngisengaphinde ngivuke futhi. I don't know when, but ngibeka amathemba kuwena. I stopped ungavuki, because you know when you're suffering from a mental health condition where awukwazi ukuvuka, you have this hopelessness enkulu awuthembi to end things, and you're exaggerating things in your head. You're cooking up scenarios in your head. You have anxiety yokumeet abantu kanti bakubona ukuthi u-empty kangakanani. Uyafihla, you want to be strong. You wear an armor, mabekubona ngathi strong. Ube wedwa and you fall apart. It starts with into ey'ncane nje mfethu yabo. Into ey'ncane. Learn a new skill. Learn how to swim. Take walks. Find a pet that you can take care of. Yeah. Yeah. Meet new people. Open yourself up to new people ongabazi, not low but trial. Talk to them. Ne? Read, and then open yourself up once again. You'll never know. Take up things like your YouTube on carpentry and learn a new skill. You'll find yourself again, and you'll find another will to live or to try ezinye. Ne?
Yes.
So if you ungathola umdlwane in Vietnam, noma yini, and write down your feelings.
Yeah, I hear you. Good one.
Yeah.
I hear you, good one, man. Anyways, thanks, Kakas, for even giving us a platform, because it's like even difficult to make new friends. But when you listen to you guys, even in bad situations, when you're making up jokes and then I start to laugh a little, and I'm like, you give us hope for it. You give us hope. Never a code of another program is it really touches me. It's what I'm going through right now. And I didn't know where to turn. Did not know where to turn to.
All right, my bro. I don't know, brother, but come and see me here in Konobia. Ne? I want to give you running shoes.
Okay.
Yeah. I
appreciate that.
Also tell you eat therapy and jogging early in the morning, just jog.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll
right.
Definitely
Thanks,
do
my
that.
mate.
I'll definitely do that.
Okay. All the best.
Thank you, Felix.